Tempus here, hello and welcome to Addon Spotlight. This time we will be looking at Gathermate 2 data, as well as roots, because with the combination of these three add-ons, we can do something pretty cool with gathering. So I will show you how to configure this, what it looks like when configured, and then how to use the thing while gathering. First things first, to get these add-ons, you will need to go to Curse and follow their instructions. You can find a URL link to Curse in the description. So let's get to it. Hello and welcome to Gathermate 2. Now to bring up the window, we're going to type Gathermate/Gathermate. We're going to open that up. And then we're going to go over to Import, select the boxes that we want, and for this example I want herbalism and mining, because I'm a herbalist miner, and I hate archaeology, I don't fish, I'm not an engineer, and who cares about treasure? So, then after doing that, if it's the first time you're doing this, you're going to want to go over to Maintenance and click Clean Up Database. Now that can take a little while, so just relax and make a cup of tea or whatever while that's busy cleaning it up. And then when you've done all of that, you're going to see a map sort of like this, with nodes everywhere. And then what we're going to do to make a little bit more sense of this is type /roots and go into roots. Now we're in the Valley of the Four Winds, and that's where I want this route for, so we've selected the zone from this drop-down menu here for the Valley of the Four Winds. We're then going to type the name of the route, which I will call Valley MH for mining and herbalism. We're then going to say OK. Now we've got all of these boxes except for treasure ticked, and we've got everything else here ticked. And then we're just going to say create route, and it looks something like, what would that look like? Looks like someone spilt 416 cups of coffee or something. Who knows? Ugh, it looks horrible. So let's type /roots again. Bring that up. Go into Valley of the Four Winds. Valley MH, which is our little mining thing. And we're going to go over to Optimize Route. And we're going to click Cluster. Now this can take a little while, so don't worry about it. Okay, so it's just finished clustering everything, so now it's looking much better. And then we're going to click Foreground to optimize it even more. Again, this can make your PC lag a little bit, so again, just relax while you've got it doing this. And then we've got Foreground clicked and done. Now we're going to close all this down, we're going to open up the map, and this is what we see. We see a bunch of nodes connected by a route. Now how we would use this is we would go into fight form or a mount if you aren't an awesome druid of epicness. We would then go on to the route. Ooh, look, there's a herb over here. Hello herb, I'm picking you herb. Anyway, and then we're going to pick, let's say we go this way, I'm following the route, looking at my mini-map, just following the route while I look at my mini-map. And then there's a couple of nodes here, so I'll get those. Just following the route. And that's Gathermate 2. I hope this helped you out, this little add-on spotlight, and I hope you enjoyed. And that's how you use Gathermate 2 data and roots. I hope you enjoyed this add-on spotlight, and that you and these three add-ons get along and live a long, happy life. If you found this helpful, then be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe for more. You can also follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/DGTempusFugit. Good luck and have fun!